Hello, students! I'm very happy that we could be today in the English class learning. So stand up. We're going to sing the song of good morning, la canción de buenos días. And we say, good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I said good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, baila. I do my dance. In the morning, I shout, hooray! This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I said good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout, hooray! This is gonna be a wonderful day. Very good. Sit down. Nos sentamos. Let's review the days of the week. 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 Let's see. We say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. One more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Very good. Yesterday, ayer, we were talking about nouns. Estábamos hablando de los sustantivos. Y los sustantivos son palabras que se usa para nombrar. The nouns are words that are used to. Let's find out. Nouns, 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 nouns. They are words that are used to name person, to name a person. It could be a mother, it could be a kid, it could be your dad, it could be a boy, a student, a pirate, family. It could be your name. Say your name, di tu nombre. Your name is a noun y pertenece a las personas, al grupo de personas. No pertenece a los animales o a las otras que vamos a estar hablando. Person, person. So, the first one is person. Let's see the second one. Noun, nouns, nouns. They are words that are used to name a place. Like what? Like the school. Very good. Un lugar. Like school. O podemos decir salón, classroom. Like a mall. Like a park. A house. Very good. Let's see the next one. Noun, nouns, 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 nouns. They are words that are used to name a thing, like a pencil. Cosa. Un sustantivo también puede ser una cosa. A thing, like a pencil. Like what things can you say? It could be a hat, it could be a toy, a sharpener, an eraser, una goma. Very good. The next one, nouns, nouns, nouns. They are words that are used to name an animal, a dog, un perro. Animals. Nouns are animals también son animales. ¿Qué otros animales sabes o conoces? In English, it could be a fish, a cat, octopus. Very good. And finally, the last noun. Let's think. Noun, noun, nouns. They are words that are used to name a idea. What we have there? We have a happy face, una idea. Y ahí es algo que a lo mejor no podemos ver porque nosotros podemos ver las personas, el lugar o los animales, pero las ideas no se pueden ver, no lo podemos ver a simple vista. Pero puede ser un sentimiento like happiness, like love. It could be a project, cosas que no podemos ver. Y eso también es un sustantivo. So we have person, place, thing, animal, or idea. And yesterday we were working with 5 words. Help me, ayúdame a poder identificar a qué grupo pertenece. Vamos a clasificarlo. Book, libro. Book is a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Very good. It's a thing. Es una cosa. Number 2. Dice, it says, Esteban. Esteban. It's a name of a person. So, it's a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Very good. A person. That was easy. Esa era fácil. Number 3. Tablet. Tablet. Person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Very good. Thing. Thing. Very good. Number 4. 4 is fish. Fish. Pez. Person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Very good. Fish. Animal. Number 5. Love. Love. Person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Very good. An idea. Very good. So today we're going to do, I was saying that we're going to do this work. Vamos a imprimirlo en casita. And this is a special work. We're going to color the nouns, classifying them as person red, place green, thing blue, idea purple, or animal orange. ¿Y qué voy a clasificar? These words, estas palabras, voy a clasificarlas. For example, if we have here fish, I'm gonna color it. What color? Fish is what? An animal. Very good. And it says here that I'm going to color it orange. Dice que lo voy a colorear anaranjado. Así que voy a tomar mi crayola y lo voy a colorear. I'm going to color all the words. Then I'm going to cut them out and place them in the corresponding place, in the corresponding place. And then you're going to send me the evidence of your work. So, you're going to do a great job. Y voy a ustedes. I'm very happy.